What's going on, everyone? Jon Venus here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys all of the meals that I eat in a day. A full day of eating video for a plant-based vegan bodybuilder that is getting stronger and bigger by the day. So as you can tell, we are back in Norway. We're not in Spain anymore. We're going to be here until January. How are you feeling today, Catherine? You wanna...
Good.
Yeah, you're breaking your fast with a pear.
Had a jog this morning on
Yeah?
the treadmill.
Yeah, amazing.
So yeah, I feel good.
And it's so icy today. I can't resist this hill.
Oh, that whole hill is so icy. Careful, Daddy's crazy. Yeah, Daddy's crazy. Woo! Woo, careful! Woo! John, whoa! Careful. Did you hurt yourself?
Fun. No, I'm good. That was fun. Let's go. Alright guys, back home. Feels so good to get some fresh air. But anyways, I am starving and looking forward to make my breakfast, so let's go and do that. So last night I soaked about 500 grams of buckwheat, so it should be all ready to cook. So we're just draining it here first, giving it a little extra rinse.
Yeah, see all the bubbles? And it's quite like slimy, so you just want to rinse it well before cooking it. Oh, and also we soaked some almonds yesterday, all day yesterday and all day, like all night. So now I'm gonna make almond butter.
And Noah is playing with his grandma.
Alright, so I just boiled some water. Now I'm just gonna add it to here. A little bit more. Like that, I think, just to lightly cover it. And then I'm gonna cook it. So I'll put it on like medium. Oh, I don't want to ruin it though. I hope it works. I hope it's okay.
We never tried this before, guys.
It feels so weird to make something without liquid.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
It just starts smelling pretty bad, like burnt rubber or something. So we're taking a little break and reading the instruction manual. Vitamix, I'm suing you. Okay guys, so we're just gonna continue to risk our lives in here. Luckily, Catherine's dad is a firefighter, so we're safe.
He's not at home.
Yeah, he's not at home, that's true. Oops. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! Hey Noah, you want to stay away from this? We might burn the whole house down. Yeah, run away, run away. Oh, oh Jesus. Oh. As you can tell, he's definitely got his aggressive genes from Catherine. By the way, check this out. Uncle Hello just got this somehow, and Noah's been loving Mr. Trump, Donald Trump. He loves throwing him down the stairs for some reason. Okay, so we've officially given up on the Vitamix and the nut butter. So if you guys have any tips what to do, I think our theory, or Catherine's theory, is that you have to use oil, right?
I looked it up, like on their Vitamix page. They use some oil when they make it, but I don't want to make it with oil, so
yeah,
we're gonna use our food processor instead.
Alright guys, so first step is going to be adding a banana, just as I do with my oatmeal. So I'm going to be mashing that with a fork. Alright, so now I'm going to be adding a bunch of buckwheat. So buckwheat is just an amazing food. It's one of the grains also with the lowest amount of phytic acid. So all the minerals and vitamins absorb super easily, and it has an amazing nutty flavor and also really fun texture. So I really enjoy this, and it's also higher in certain amino acids that a lot of other grains are low in, like lysine and arginine. So you don't need to add any milk or anything to this. It's fine to eat just as it is. But I'm gonna be adding a little bit of milk just because I like the texture a little bit more. So I'm gonna be adding a tiny bit of this oat milk, like this, followed by a sprinkle of blueberries, quite a large sprinkle, quite a lot. Smash in the antioxidants. And I'm gonna throw in some cashews and some sunflower seeds, which are a great way to boost your vitamin E intake for the day. And since we're bulking, I'm going to allow myself to have a tiny bit of maple syrup. Whoa, what came out there? And finally, a tiny bit of cinnamon.
Blueberries, huh?
Yeah, blueberries, cashews, sunflower seeds, bunch of stuff.
Done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna go have a nap.
Yeah.
Yeah, do that.
do
Yeah,
that.
that's great. Kiss,
Give me a
kiss.
kiss, give me a kiss. Good night kiss. Thank you. Good enough. So I don't know about you, but this just looks super appetizing. This is gonna fuel me for the rest of the day. Now I'm gonna have a lot more meals, and I started eating very late today, so I'm gonna probably have to eat just an hour or two after this one. Let's have a little bite right now. Yep. Just feels like real human food. Alright guys, I just got done with some work and now I'm about to head over to the gym. A lot of people are wondering why I'm filming, because I'm vegan, why I'm filming in a place, in an office that has, you know, so many, antlers and stuff on the wall. It's not my wall, it's not my house, it's Catherine's parents' house. So I hope that explains it. Anyway, I'm gonna go to the gym, do a shoulder and tricep session today, and I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, done with the gym session. It was a really good one. And it's starting to get dark already here in Norway. It's only like 3 o'clock. It's crazy. A lot of darkness here. Actually, some parts of Norway, it's dark like the whole day. Luckily, that's not the case here. We get a couple of hours of light. Anyways, I'm gonna make my post-workout smoothie right now because Noah just woke up, so that means I can use a blender.
Hello!
What is that? Huh? Motor? Yeah, motor. What are you doing, Catherine?
I'm making a curry for dinner. So I got onion, garlic, and chili in there, and then sweet potatoes.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna add carrots and white potatoes.
Yeah.
Chickpeas.
Okay.
And then tomato sauce and coconut milk.
Mmm, that sounds good, right?
And curry powder, of course.
And curry powder. Amazing. So while Catherine's preparing the dinner right there, I'm gonna be preparing the post-workout smoothie in this blender. So I'm gonna be using water today, again, mostly just because we wanna save money. Right, so I'm gonna be adding some mixed berries into the smoothie, as always. Get that antioxidant boost. Oh my God. And this is what I do so I never get sick. I've started eating things from the floor and never washing my hands, and I never get sick anymore.
Well, if you don't wash your hands after you poop, you're gonna get really sick soon.
I don't wash my hands after
Then
I
you're
poop.
gonna make us sick.
I'm just kidding, guys. I do wash my hands after number 2.
And number 1, I hope.
But not number 1. Now I'm gonna put in these 2 ripe spotty bananas. Usually I only use 1, but today I feel like 2.
Since you're having it right before dinner, you feel like having a huge smoothie.
Exactly. And then I'm gonna be adding a scoop of protein and another, just because this scoop is very small. 1, 2, 3, run! Run, run, run! Run, run, run! Woohoo! Oh, what happened? What happened? Did you crash? What are you gonna do about it, bro? What are you gonna do about it? You're gonna step on it? Alright guys, so I'm just gonna drink this smoothie up real quick, get some work done in the office, and then dinner's probably ready in how long do you think?
30 minutes?
30 minutes. Alright guys, it's now dinner time. I'm so excited to eat this curry, and it looks like Catherine and Noah have already started. So yeah, this is looking absolutely fantastic. Thank you for preparing the food today, Catherine,
You're
as
welcome.
always. So, as this meal, again, it has protein from chickpeas and that kind of stuff, but I need a little bit extra. So what I'm gonna do is the same as I showed you guys in the previous video, and I'm probably just gonna add a block of tofu on the side, raw, uncooked, unprepared, just, you know, for the extra protein. So this is pretty much, yeah, 80% of a block that we had open in the fridge. You get a little bit to Noah as well. Yeah, that's tofu. You like tofu? Gains! Alright, so I just kind of do this, chop the tofu into smaller pieces. Curries, so easy to make. Well, not that easy, still gotta chop, you gotta spend some time in the kitchen. But if you wanna optimize your health, if you wanna stay healthy, and you know, have delicious meals at the same time, not just, you know, plain rice, broccoli, and tofu, you need to spend some time in the kitchen, get creative, follow some recipes. And if you do that, you know, eventually you might enjoy the process of making food. At least that's been the case for me. I absolutely hated making food before, and now I enjoy it quite a bit more. So yeah guys, just got done with some coaching, and for you guys who are wondering, that is our job. Me and Catherine have been doing this for, I don't know, like 6 years now. So everything that we do is customized, and I also do like one-on-one coaching now that I've just started a couple months ago, which is pretty interesting. But yeah, if you guys are interested, don't forget to check it out. Link will be in the description box below. So if you're looking to optimize your health, you're kind of confused on how to do it, I'm here to help, and yeah, check it out if you want to. But Noah's about to go to bed, so I'm gonna go inside, say goodnight, and then get another meal in. Big lunch. of kale in here. And to make it nicer, I'm gonna be drizzling a little bit of olive oil in here, some lemon juice, and then I'm gonna be adding 200 grams of kidney beans. And then lastly, a little bit of salt. Just pour everything into a bowl. Right, so extremely simple meal, very, very easy to prepare. You just saw how it was only a handful of ingredients. So the lemon juice is gonna be key here for flavoring. The olive oil also adds a lot of flavor. And the reason why I add the lemon juice is also to absorb the iron from the beans a lot better, as well as you know that vitamin C increases iron absorption. So let's have a taste. For such a simple salad, so good. It just goes to show how easy it is to prepare a healthy, delicious meal full of nutrient-dense foods. Good night, Nata. You wanna say bye? What? Again, this phrase about grapes. Good night, bye. Bye bye.
You have a kiss på kinna.
A kiss? Thank you. That's nice.
Hello!
Oh God, go away. So guys, I'm gonna eat this up and I'm gonna log everything into chronometer.com to see where my RDIs are. I didn't plan this day at all, so it'll be interesting to see how I match up in terms of nutrient intake for the day. Alright guys, so I put everything onto chronometer right now. Obviously the curry was really hard to calculate exactly, so I eyeballed it, but I'm really good at estimating. So let's see how good of an intuitive eater I am, which means eating, you know, by intuition without tracking everything. So I'm pretty confident because I've been doing this for so long that it's gonna be spot on. Now let's see. Alright, so let's scroll down here. 2,783 calories. Spot on for me and my goals of building muscle. 122 grams of protein, which is awesome. Usually I get between 100 and 150 grams of protein per day, which is enough for me. Believe it or not, a lot of people think it's too little, but I've always done super well and I've always built a lot of muscle on this amount. Then we have 450 grams of carbohydrates, which is great, and 70 grams of fat, which sounds pretty good to me. So the breakdown is 63% carbs, 22% fats, 16% protein. Tiny bit lower in protein than I usually do, a little bit higher in fats, but you know, the 60-20-20 split that I usually, you know, intuitively eat by and what I recommend to my clients is pretty much being hit here, which is awesome. Now let's go to the RDIs, vitamins. Boom, smashed in all of them, over 100% on every single vitamin. Easy, not even worried about it, didn't plan anything, tried to calculate anything in my head. Minerals, damn, same thing, exactly the same thing. The only thing I'm low in is sodium, which I forgot to add the salt, so actually I'm not even low on that. And then 98% on potassium, we'll call it 100. So super easy, every single mineral met. Iron, that a lot of people say is so hard to get on a vegan diet, 284% iron, that's crazy, right? Calcium, I didn't even add the fortified milk, I just added milk without calcium. So this is just from the whole foods, 146% calcium, which is crazy. What else? Selenium, also people say it's hard to get on a vegan diet. I didn't eat a Brazil nut and I've still got 157% selenium. And zinc, again, another nutrient that everyone says is so hard to get on a plant-based diet, 124%. Protein, you can see that I've met every single essential amino acid, all of them over 100%, well over 100%. Leucine is the one that everyone's worried about, got 254% of that. And then omega-3s, yeah, not too bad there either. So as you can see, not an issue at all, meeting all my daily requirements in terms of vitamins, minerals, omega-3s, all that good stuff. Easy peasy on a healthy, whole food, plant-based diet. I always preach eating as many whole plant foods as possible and reducing as much as possible your intake of processed food and animal foods. So I'm not saying that you have to go perfect and do everything like I'm doing right now. Trust me, I do indulge in unhealthy foods once in a while too. But this is just showing you guys how easy it is. Even by just intuitively eating, I'm hitting all the RDIs easily. So I'm not worried about anything. I'm feeling optimally healthy. My back injury is getting better and better. I feel amazing. Actually, I'm stronger than I've ever been in the last 2.5 years. So my strength is increasing like crazy. My muscle mass is coming back on. So I'm super happy about everything. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please share with anyone who thinks that you can't get you know, a nutrient-dense diet as a vegan. Just busted that myth right there. Anyways, see you soon, guys. Peace out.